It's 10 o'clock at night. 10:20. I've already filmed 2 videos. I've been up since 7:30 this morning. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. Here I am filming for you. Because literally, I haven't had time to film or edit or anything. Like, I put a video up today for the first time in like 2 weeks. Because I've been busy. I had drama at school. And I had finals. And then I had summer school started while I was in the finals. And now this was my first like official week of summer school. And summer classes are hard. Because they take like a whole semester worth of stuff. And they cram it into 5 weeks. So I'm kind of stressed out and struggling. I can't think of a day this week that I've gone to bed before 2 o'clock in the morning. And that's just doing homework and working. Like I've worked every day this week. Today I got off earlier, 6 o'clock instead of 9 o'clock. So I was able to do my homework already. And now I'm filming and editing so that I can upload tomorrow. For you. But yeah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? I'm Kyla. This is my channel. That's really all there is today. Today we're going to do another gratis. I know I just did one, but they gave me another bag today at work. So this lip here was my, it's either up or coming soon. It's the Tarte, I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Tarte goodie bag. Tarte. It's $200 plus worth of stuff for $63. Tarte mega deal. Tarte, I don't know. Do you like this really close? Like I kind of am feeling like I feel like a connection with you guys. Part of my makeup, I know I'm looking like a hot mess. This lipstick wasn't what I had on until today. I just tried it on for a video. It's not put on very well, but you know. So I guess what I'm doing. So I already told you, gratis. So let's just go ahead and show you guys what I got. The first thing is a bag. I like this bag, but we're gonna come back to it because all the stuff that was in here fell out. Okay, so we're gonna come back. We got some Diva Curl products, which is super cool. It's designed for hair like mine. Look at that, huh? My friend at work said that she was going to let me have hers as well because obviously I have curly hair. Her hair isn't really that curly. Like it has a little bit of wave to it, but it's really not curly, especially not like mine is. So she said that I could just have hers because otherwise hers would just be going in the garbage. So, hey. So we've got, what is this? A micellar water cleansing serum. That could be cool. I think that's for like when you use dry shampoo, which I don't use that often. When you use dry shampoo and you like get that buildup, this will like cleanse it out. And then there's a styling cream, define and control, touchable curl definer. That's cool. And then melt into moisture matcha butter conditioning mask. Ooh, mask. Then we have a pre-cleanse slip detangler. Oh, this is like, yeah, it's obviously it's a detangler and you put it on before you wash your hair and it's gonna help, like, obviously detangle, which is awesome. My hands, I have like red on them and it's getting all over my products. Ugh. It's from this lipstick. And then lastly we have this Leave-In Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, which is cool. I'm a fan. I have used a little bit of Diva Curl in the past, just like samples of it, and I kind of liked it, so I'm excited to use these, especially if my friend's gonna give me hers too, because then it'll give me more to try. Okay, so moving on. We have, this is honestly one of the things that I'm most excited for. And it's just a little sample. It is the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Silk Pressed Anti-Aging Finishing Powder. It says it's new. I feel like we've had it. But they literally gave me like this little thingy. I feel like someone got this in like an Ipsy or something recently in the past like 2 months or so. And I was so jealous because I like wanted to try this. Or maybe they got it in like a Sephora play. Yes, it was in a Sephora play. But it's like you get a decent amount of powder to try out. And there's a little sponge to go with it too. So that's cool. I'm excited to try these Bye Bye Pores because if your girls have pores. Look at this. See my pores? See my foundation's rubbing off? Look at this botched lipstick job. Beautiful, right? let me take this off before I get all the hate comments about how I don't care about my YouTube channel. It almost looks worse. Whatever. So, in reference to the bag that I got earlier, this bag, it's from Drunk Elephant. I love getting Drunk Elephant products because I really like their stuff. I've gotten Protini, which, sneak peek, I just finished. I've gotten the eye cream, this one. I have used the night serum. I've used that one. I've got multiple samples of that one, even with like this one. This stuff is amazing. This baby facial, amazing. Their oil is really good. I've used that. I'm not sure how I feel about the brightening serum, like the vitamin C serum, but there's just a bunch of other stuff that's really good. So we got this go round. We got the Be Hydrate Intensive Hydrating Gel. This is a 15 milliliter, so it's a half fluid ounce. So it's a half full size, I believe. I believe the full size is a fluid ounce, which is pretty good. Especially because they sent us all this for free. Like, I'm incredibly grateful because Drunk Elephant is not cheap at all. Like, the baby facial is $80, I believe. But yeah, so this is it's a quench and illuminating, like a cool drink of water for your thirsty skin. This ultra hydrating gel replenishes the complexion and improves the look of skin texture and tone, which is exactly what I need because your girl has been bumpy lately. I don't know if it's because of like that foundation that I was using or what the deal is, but I've been breaking out like a lot and I have a lot of texture. I don't know what it is. I need to do a mask, honestly. But yeah. That's cool. And we also got the number 9 Jelly Cleanser and Cantaloupe. It's just a cleanser. Non-stripping pH of 5.9. You like twisted, I believe. Yeah. Which, oh, weird. It came out even with me just twisting it like, oh, okay. Huh. Probably not supposed to use this on your mouth. But I want to know if it's going to take off the lipstick. Huh. Not bad. It did. Wow. That's awesome. And half my foundation. You know who I think talked about that? Ugh. I got it in my mouth. You know who I think talked about that? Kathleen Lights. I think she liked that. She didn't like the packaging, but she liked the product, I believe. And then lastly, we got this Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 30 with 20% zinc oxide. It's literally just a sunscreen, which is kind of nice because I don't have like a facial sunscreen. So I'm not complaining. Next, we've got a mask. This is the SEPHORA mud mask, purifying and mattifying. I think I have a mini of this. Ha! Nope, I got a full size. So we have 2 now. I should probably use one. Oh, you know what I think it is? I have like a billion packets of this as well. Like I've gotten like samples of it. In like different things like Gratis or whatever. Like I've gotten sample packets. Yes, this is what it is. So I have been, every time I use this mask, I just use the little sample packets because there's no point in me opening it up and it expiring when I have all the sample ones. So that is why I still have an unopened bottle. But now I have 2. Maybe I can give one to my sister. Would she like that? Probably. We'll see. Or she can come over and like we can mask together. Then I got this Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Extreme Mascara. I have like minis of this. I believe. And you guys know that I don't like open these right now because I have so many open already, like 8 of them. So honestly, I should go through my mascaras and get rid of some of the ones that I don't use that are old and pull out some new ones, try them out. But right now, I'm not doing that because it's 10:30 and I'm tired. Then we got, I got a lot of Gratis, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. Still haven't gotten that Kat Von D lipstick. I am getting a Marc Jacobs foundation and I'm so excited. Like, I've never purchased a Marc Jacobs foundation. The only Marc Jacobs thing that I've ever, like, purchased myself, I believe, is the lip gloss. Like, I don't think I've actually gone, like, I have lipsticks, but they always have, like, been in sets or whatever. And don't have any of their eyeshadows. I have eyeliners and mascaras, but they've always, like, come with other things. So, this is going to be a first. So I'm pretty excited to get a foundation. But yeah, that's exciting. Then, like, we were going to get the Kat Von D brow stuff, but the link wouldn't work. It's okay. Yo, girl, I'm still grateful that she tried. Because Kat Von D has been so generous with us and our Gratis. Literally. But this is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. It's a mattifying H2O gel primer. So it's mattifying, hydrating, and a primer, which is kind of interesting. I'm excited. It has green tea in it. So it's going to help cancel oil. And that's kind of cool, especially for the summer. Like, your girl got real shiny today. And it's honestly probably because I've had this makeup on all day. But maybe that'll help. We shall see. I'm kind of excited. It's a whole food ounce too. So, hey, your girl's not complaining. Next, we got something very exciting. This is the Sephora Collection Pro Slanted Buffing Brush number 88. Literally, I was about to go, like, literally, I was looking at these the other day and I was like, I really want this brush. Like, it was either this one or the flat one. I honestly didn't care because they're the same thing. One's just angled and one's not. And I was gonna buy the mini because it was cheaper. But to get this in a full size, pretty doggone exciting. They didn't, oh yes they did. I was like, they didn't etch it. They always etch our Gratis because, like, to say that it was Gratis. That way, A, if we bring it into the store, they don't think we're stealing it. And B, we can't return it. So, I like the little packaging it comes in, even though I never keep it in here. Like, look. I'm so excited to use this on my face. You guys know, like, I don't usually use brushes, but your girl is freaking lit for this. I'm so excited because it's so, like, dense, and I feel like it's just gonna be perfect for, I can't wait. I literally, like, it's things like this that I live for. Brushes, like, in skincare, like, I just live for makeup in general, my face and, like, everything. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I will get better at looking into the camera. Anyways, and then we got a Sephora, well, I shouldn't say we, because I don't know if everybody got what I got. They probably got more, honestly. I'm not playing. This is a Sephora eyelash curler, obviously, and they gave me little replacement thingies. I'm not gonna, like, curl my lashes right now, but I want to see how it fits. It's kind of difficult to get on, but I kind of like this, how it squeezes and whatnot. I do have eyelash curlers, like I have 2 of them, but this would be cool to try, you know, like a different one. Because I hear, like, not all of them are the same or fit your eye the right way, so we shall see. And last but not least, the thing that I said in my last Gratis video that I was supposed to get. Did I put that video up? No, I don't think so. I think I haven't edited it. But this is Sunday Riley's Title. It's a 1.7 fluid ounce, and it's a moisturizer. It's a lightweight moisturizer, actually. And I'm excited. And it has lightly exfoliating papaya enzymes. I'm so excited. And I'm kind of upset that I'm not upset. Obviously, I'm not upset about this. Because, I mean, I picked it out, like, the lady that works for Sunday Riley, she let me pick which product I wanted, and this one was it. I kind of wanted good jeans, but I'm going to get that next time. Maybe, I hope if she gives me the opportunity to get something else, I would like to get good jeans. But we're going to go over this right now. I just opened this one, though, the original skin one, and I'm still using this one from Carl, my buddy, so yeah, so I have a lot of moisturizers right now to use. So we are good on moisturizer. This is lit! So excited. You know what I can use Title for at night? Because I'm almost out of my nighttime moisturizer. Do you think it'll be thick enough? I'll have to swatch it anyway. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That is playing Sephora Gratis. I'm so, honestly, so excited. Like, I love getting Gratis and seeing, like, the new stuff. And it's stuff that, like, I wouldn't, honestly, it's stuff that I can't, like, bring myself to buy most of the time. Or stuff that I haven't heard of or new stuff. So I'm, like, really excited. And I know new things are coming that I'm not allowed to talk about, but I'm so excited to be a part of this whole community and to like experience this with the brands. Like I feel like I'm a part of their family too, because I'm like, Sephora doesn't work off commission. Like we don't work off commission. So everything that we tell you is our honest opinion. Like we're not pushing to sell that way we get a bonus check. We're not pushing to sell just to like make money, like, because we don't get anything out of it, just the satisfaction of like making you guys happy, like the consumers happy. So if a Sephora employee recommends something to you, they're being meaningful about it, because it's like it's our job, but it's more than that, because we're not getting anything other than the satisfaction out of it. So like if I tell you like, oh my gosh, like if you come in and you see me and I'm like, yo, this moisturizer is really good for you, it's not because I'm supposed to sell that moisturizer or because I know that if you buy it, I'm going to get a bonus, because I'm not. Like I'm literally selling it because I know this is what's going to make your skin better. And I wish more places were like that, where they are like, I mean, obviously I don't know about other makeup places because I've never worked with them, but I would imagine that, I know for a fact that some of them work on commission, and so they're pushing things and pushing more and more and more on you. And Sephora's not doing that. Like if we're pushing you to get something, or it feels like we're pushing you to get something, it's because we think that you truly need it, like, or that we are backing it up, I guess you could say. Like we support it fully. Like if I tell you like, yo, this moisturizer is amazing, it would be amazing for you. Like I sincerely mean that, because that's just like coming from my heart, honestly. Like we say that we don't work on commission, we work on love. And I find that to be true. Like if I tell you like, oh my gosh, this mask is the bomb, it's literally the bomb. Like I use it all the time. Maybe it's not for your skin type, you know, like that's perfectly honest. Like don't think that because someone recommended it to you and it sucked, it's because like, oh, they were just trying to make $1 off of you. Like no, that's not how it is. Like we thought it would be good, and we're sorry that it didn't work out. Like you can bring it back. Like Sephora will always take something back from you. You have 60 days to get your money back in the original way you paid, and then after that you get a gift card, which I mean, either way, like you're not stuck with a crappy product. So if it doesn't work for you, it's not going to work for everybody. So I mean, if it doesn't, bring it back. And that's just how it is. But I'm done rambling. I'm sorry. I get passionate about this because I support my family, because I consider them my family wholeheartedly. And I'm very grateful to be part of their team. Yeah, that's enough now though. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.